Good morning from Heathrow Terminal 5, where today I'm flying in Club Europe with British Airways on the relatively short flight to Aberdeen. Over the summer of 2019 I've reviewed a number of airlines here on the channel, but I always like to come back to British Airways where I have Executive Club Gold status. As I've featured Club Europe a number of times on the channel, today I'm going to do something a bit different. What I'd like to do is just demonstrate and showcase some of the benefits that always bring me back to British Airways and why I always, every year, try to retain the gold status. So come with me and I'll show you what gold status delivers at every stage of the journey. One of the main benefits of having British Airways Executive Club Gold right here at Heathrow Terminal 5 is what's known as the F-Wing. This is a personal check-in area, personal security, and has direct access straight into the F-Lounge, thus avoiding the shops. There are in fact 5 lounges that I've used here at Heathrow. One is the Aspire Priority Pass Lounge, which is nice enough but gets very busy at certain times of the day. The next lounge is the Plaza Premium, which I access with my American Express Platinum card. That's a nice retreat and offers decent food. If you have British Airways Silver or are travelling in Club Europe or Club World, you'll be using the Galleries Club Lounge. If, like me, you have British Airways Executive Club Gold status, you can access the Galleries First Lounge, which comes with menu dining as well as champagne, although that's self-service. Latterly, if you have the Concorde Room card or are flying with British Airways in first class, then you can use the Concorde Room Lounge, which is all waiter service.
Try to open up your eyes. Do you feel like you are more alive? When you fight, when you fight, when you fight, when you fight. I'm done here now, I pack my things. I'll be gone for quite a while. You said I want to try to angel wings in the sky, in the sky, in the sky, in the sky. Well, you're almost like a ball and I'm gonna say I don't wanna let you in. I don't want it any other way. Let's go for the win. And it feels like a whisper in the morning rain. When somebody tells you, will we ever be the same?
When it comes to boarding, with gold status, you're going to be in Group 1, which means you're going to get first dibs on the overhead storage, and to be honest, it's just nicer to be sat down just a bit quicker than everybody else. With gold status with British Airways, some of the best seats in the house are reserved exclusively for you. I could book row 1 in Club Europe at the time of booking without any additional fee. Also, you can secure the highly sought after 64K in Club World on a 747, which I've got coming up a few times in 2020. In addition to this, you'll get the best seats in first class, and as I said, all at the time of booking for no additional fee. I'll quieten down now as we take off. We get the usual Band 1 meal in Club Europe today, which is nice enough for this relatively short flight. A small tip for you here is that your smartphone will often work in flight mode on Google Maps. At the moment we're flying over Yorkshire, which is where I'm from. As you can see here, it's turning out to be a marvellous afternoon as we head further north.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Aberdeen. Time here is approaching 10 to 3. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls as well as use all data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seats, take care when opening overhead lockers as items may have moved.
Hi folks, so here I am in Aberdeen and that concludes my journey for today. So hopefully it's been interesting for you just to see some of the highlights that you get, not just with Club Europe, but clearly the purpose of today was to highlight some of the things that I get as a British Airways Gold Executive Club member, and really what keeps bringing me back to British Airways, I guess. So with that, I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.